This is the mold kits, okay? I had to purchase 5 of them to test the air from outside, so that when these are sent to a lab, and they have to be sent to a lab, the lab could check the difference in air between the outside and the air inside the house. Okay, now here it says 2 test kits are required to compare indoor to outdoor air quality. That doesn't mean that there's 2 kits in here. There's only 1 kit in the packaging. As you can see, I haven't opened it, so let's go ahead and do that, okay? And you're going to need scissors to do this. A total of $10 and some change per kit, okay? You have a lot of stuff you have to read, okay? So it tells you what is mold, how do you come in contact with mold, what can mold do to you, how do you find out if you have mold problems. It tells you a variety of things. Then it says must be returned to ProLab, test location and payment form. Okay, so this is the envelope that I am going to send everything to, and it is postage free. I don't have to pay for the postage. And this is what the envelope looks like. Now each of the kits have that in there. This is what the kit includes: a little plastic bag, resealable. I have, I guess, 2 Q-tips in there, cotton tipped applicators. Okay, I have the petri dish. I have, I guess this is where I'm going to also send, besides the petri dish with the gel, I'm going to send those cotton things back to them. This is the gel, okay? I know from reading the previous packaging that I'm going to need something that shows me that where I place the petri dish is leveled out. Okay, I'm going to read this.
It's better. Okay. It actually tells me 1 hour, replace the top lid when the 1 hour test is complete and allow the dish to incubate for 48 hours. Recheck the dish for any slow growing mold at 72 hours and 96 hours. If any mold growth is present after this incubation period, proceed to the lab results directions. Okay, so I have to
that
see.
Spot right there is leveled out. So I'm going to finish reading this and I will be right back to show you the process. See those yellow spots? That's the tub. That's the wall of the tub, which is a plastic casing around it. And this always looked like this. However, I thought that it had been given a paint job and the paint was coming off. I'm going to follow the directions. I am going to, this is leveled right here, and this is the petri dish. Okay, I'm going to take this gel and I'm going to pour it in here in the petri dish. Then I have to swirl this around there. Okay, I have to let that get into a gel type thing, and I put it right there because right there you can see the leveler is telling me that that is the best spot for it. Okay, so I'm going to let that, it says with the lid off. Now I think the air is going to get pretty messed up with just the lid off, but I'm gonna make sure. I'm reading. It says remove the covered petri dish from the Ziploc bag and place it on a level surface. Remove the top lid of the petri dish and pour the content of the dish. Replace the top lid and gently swirl until the bottom is completely covered. Allow liquid to harden for 1 hour with the top lid on. Okay, so I gotta put the top lid on. Okay, so that has to dry for 1 hour. It is now 3:18, and that's today's date, Saturday, June the 15th. So we're going Sharpie to write on top of the petri dish which room I did the testing on. Okay, so I will do that. I put the date and the time, and I just put that time right there because that's the time right now. And so I have to wait 72 or 74 hours according to the packaging. I will read it again. I will check then, and I will check twice and write the times and the dates on the piece of paper and how it looked. I will take pictures of it so I can show you guys, but this is where we're at right now. There would be 24 hours. I'm checking on Wednesday, the 19th, and then again on Thursday, which would make the 96 hours. So today makes the 96 hours, and this one is funny, right? This is the middle room in the attic, and this one, whatever mold that is melting the gel, okay? There's only like 2 regular dots of mold, but the rest is like growing this black kind of dust-like mold. That's weird. I don't even know if I should be handling these things without gloves. This one looks like the petri dish. This is the attic, the room that I used to paint my DIYs in. That's the mold on that one. This is the petri dish for the bathroom, and the bathroom and the room above it are the ones with the most mold. The envelope. Okay. I'm going to put them here, which room this is, and this was actually, this is the bathroom, and I had this bucket in the craft room, water in the craft room, and it has all this black mold on it. If anyone tells you that I'm an ungrateful person, I'm not ungrateful. Just wish I would have been warned. I would have been warned.
Which I thought it was because of the holes on the ceiling and the walls, and the broken window. I should have, investigated a little bit more before I moved here.
Your test kits in their envelope that is provided for you, you have to fill out this thing right here, okay? And it tells you that you have to online, you have to register. I'm gonna go here, you're going to the mold. So I go right under it, says click here to register. I already registered mine. I'm just showing you guys what you need to do. So it's going to registration number here. that it's going to give you a number, and you're going to put it there. Then you're going to fill out all your information. If you're going to pay through a credit card or a money order or a check, you have to make sure that you put in the right amount. And each kit, if you want to do it express, it's going to be $55. And your registration, they will send you the results through email. So I hope that this helps someone. If you have developed certain allergies, if you are allergy prone and you go to the doctor because you're having chest pains and your eyes are always red and your nose is running like a faucet, and the doctor says, oh yeah, well, there are allergies, but you know that certain times you shouldn't have allergies and your allergies never were this bad, it could be the apartment you're in. It could be that there's mold. And if you have a rug, that will also add to your allergies. But you have to, don't just take the doctor's, oh, okay, well, you know, don't just dismiss how you're feeling, because the situation could get worse. I was finally brought aware to what it could be, because we had a kind of like a tornado kind of thing in this town, and a tree fell on 2 cars. After that, I noticed that while that was going on, I noticed that a stream of water was coming into my tub from the wall in the bathroom. I had always noticed that the bathtub had like these stains, and I thought that someone did a real bad paint job on it and that the paint was coming off. That's not the case. The case is that the mold is behind the wall and it's taking over the plastic in the tub. So I am over this subject, this issue, this problem. I am trying to resolve it as best as I can. I hope all of you guys give this video a thumbs up. This is me trying to make you aware of certain things that could be going on in your home or your office or your apartment. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I will be bringing you some new DIYs soon.